What's up guys, what's up, welcome back to Koreguda's Entertainment, and today's update what we have. Yes, popcorn lawyer speak, Jah Cure pleads self-defense, Burcelee still can't get any respond about his wit. So yes people, so Jah Cure pleads self-defense, plead that he is not guilty of stabbing the promoter in Amsterdam. Guys, I don't know if y'all remember when Jah Cure had an altercation with a promoter in Amsterdam saying that he didn't want to pay him. You understand? But based on what Jah Cure is saying, guys, he's saying that he get the knife when he went over there in Amsterdam. So yes, he said he was on the knife in Amsterdam because him have an expensive jewelry, Rolex, etc., etc. You understand? And him and the promoter have an altercation, and if him had run, them would have stabbed him. Them would have stabbed him backwards, and stabbing the promoter was the way of defending himself. So people, more want to leave in the comment section down below what you think about the whole situation. You understand? This is not what I am saying. I'm just bringing the news to you guys. This is the word of Jah Cure. You understand? Him say a self-defense. He's not guilty. He's defending himself. You understand? Me no know. I am just here to bring the news to you guys. Me not judge him and me not judge the promoter because I wasn't there. You understand? I just can talk based off of what him say. You understand? So yes people, as I don't know, say him they go court the other day and then they remand him back for a couple days. You understand? They remand him back for a couple days more. And when I say couple days, I mean maybe it's like some months or so. Yes, man. So people, let's get down to popcorn. Yes people, yes people, yes people. I don't know what I go on from the other day, you know. But it come like say the whole of the Jamaican artists them a get a fight from the government. You understand? Cause based on what popcorn I say about the big heads them will send immigration after him. You know? I don't know what is going on. It's like the system now want nobody from Jamaica be great. That's the reason why most of these artists leaving Jamaica and not coming back. You understand? So we not gonna have no money in our country now. Look from this, there will be no money in Jamaica because all of these artists, they're gonna find wife or somewhere and them are gonna move out of Jamaica and them not gonna come back. And then people are gonna say, oh, them throw stone behind them not remember where them come from. But it's the way all the system treat them. You understand? And if I'm wrong, on the tell me I'm wrong, people. Because if the system treat you a certain way, why would you want to sit in it? You understand? A lot of these artists leave in Jamaica to better themselves. Likewise, remember, none of artists alone leave Jamaica, you know. Remember, it have regular people like myself who will leave Jamaica just for a better life. You understand? So we all do it. So I don't want when the artists them leave and say, okay, them are gonna leave your son, leave your son. Them say, oh, boy, you know, love your country, you know, this and that. It's not about loving your country, but anybody can get better will take it. And a lot of them hear the talk about say, oh, me now leave Jamaica. Trust me, if they get the opportunity tomorrow, are them are the fastest them pack them suitcase. But anyway, I don't like how the system treat the artists them. You understand? I don't like it. It's like if them feel like say the artists them come from an area, yeah, and them I get a lot of praise from the people them don't like it. You understand? Them go after the people them not like it. Look like the other day with Auntie Dana. Look how long Auntie Dana they feed how much people. You know? And when Auntie Dana buy up the food, them want something to go give out. Them must say Auntie Dana can't give it out to the people them. You see me? What is really going on? Very sad. Jamaica is very sad. It's a very sad country and I don't really know what to go on. You understand? But I feel like once you start get big and stuff like that, it's like the government always find a way to try push you down. People, these artists, when them come from an area, I just see people rate them up and love them up and something. And you as the Prime Minister or the MP might put them as done. It's not about not done, you know. You understand? It's because of the way they maybe help the people them in the community, and they might respect them. And somebody from out of the community elevate themselves is now a big artist, you understand? So them feel good. You see me? So people, we are gonna talk about DJ Burcelee now. You know, say, but people, so this is DJ Burcelee. Yes, and for those who don't know, his wife passed away at the university hospital. Lord Jesus. The man I say better if he did carry her go St. Andrews, because trust me, they would look about her, you know, but all them need is their money. You understand? And it is very sad that people have to die under negligent, you know, of the hospital. Because sometimes you go to some hospital, you know, me I tell you, know, people, you see the nurse and the doctor, them a walk back and front, back and front, back and front, you know, and them not help you, you know, them not look for you or nothing like that, people. No, them not look for you, them not care about you. People, I tell you something, you know, man. You see, when me about 8, 9, and me went to do a surgery in a Corner Regional Hospital, I can't forget, you know. Up until today, I couldn't even tell my mother. You understand? When me I cry because I have an abscess and I go do a operation, surgery. You understand? That Chinese looking, Indian looking doctor, you know, push me when me I cry, you know, him push me and lick me head in the bed, you know, and tell me in him language like him tell me to shut up. You understand, people? So I know many more kids maybe get the same treatment, but me never did that because I did scared. We never know what would happen, because we don't know when you're little and I grew up and thing. We don't know, say, doctor would be like a big thing. You understand? Doctor and them something they a big thing to we when time we little, you know. So just be careful, because some of them evil. So we hear him also they say so. She had passed and gone, and still I have to be fighting with these doctors here just to get some information on her cause of death, even some form of closure. Damn, the kind of behavior only tell me that something is amiss, and they want to make sure them in clear, like they did an awesome job. So you know, so basically you must say them a try plan up for what them a go say before them tell him nothing. But want to listen what I'm have to say. Want to listen for myself what I'm have to say.
Yo, them people are dangerous up here, so people. I mean, I tell you something, I don't like to come up here. I don't like to come up here. Okay? I mean, I tell you why. Good? I'm gonna come up here. Good? At first, nobody called me and tell me, say, yo, she dead. Rate T. Good? Them call me off on one fraud number. But when they want them money, they make sure call me and find number for call me and tell me, say, yo. So today I come up here and I say, okay, fine. I'm a little bit calmer now. May I come and see if I can get the necessary information. I've been here for 2 hours sitting down and waiting to see someone. When I see the doctor, the first thing out of my mouth is, yo, is gonna ask me if anybody has given me any information. I said, no. Nobody has called. Nobody has said anything to me. I don't know anything. I don't know what's happening. Nothing at all. Here the next question again. Oh, so they really didn't call you? No, I can't deal with educated fools, okay? I can't deal with it. Good? I don't like it. It pisses me off. Then she go back into wherever she was, comes back out, and then it's gonna ask me if Alicia has a mother. Like, who wanna have mother? What kind of question that you're gonna ask? And you're supposed to be one big top doctor who say you're educated with this and that degree and all of that bullshit. Then she goes away and come back and tells me I have to wait another 4 hours for a meeting to hear what they have to say and discuss everything. So why couldn't I have been called and told everything from before? Oh, I figure. When I forgot hide and do a thing. Saying, take out what I need to take out of docket and do whatever because I can't see. So, the only thing I wish that if I go into this meeting that they give me the opportunity to record and I'm say they cannot allow me to do that, me no want they in there. Because I want to make sure I have something to say that yeah, them say so and them show me this, right? So that when if anything comes up, none of them don't have the chance to look and say, oh, you know, so we never do that. Or we never did say that. Because we know people turn already. You see me? Trust me, I hate this fucking place. I hate it, you fuck. No joke. No joke.